Hello there, it's me, Yoder. Now I saw this video, storm chasers. Well, Yoder knows a lot about tornado safety and properly chasing tornadoes. One thing you got to realize is if you ever get caught in a storm and you can't escape it, what you want to do is get out of your car or get out of your horse and buggy. Just get out of your vehicle and search your surroundings. Find a place you can hide. Now, Yoder could hide in one of these bushes, but it probably won't save me from tornado. Another thing I could do is I could dig trench. But by the time Yoder starts digging, well, I could already be sucked up in tornado. Or, wait a second, you know what I could do? I could use a trash can. Yoder has been blessed with trash can. Now, before I end the video, let me use the words of a great philosopher, John Cena. Hey, tornado, you can't see me.
There's no phone, no lights, no motor car, not a single luxury like